In this demo, we'll deploy a Prefect agent to AWS ECS Fargate using a GitHub Actions workflow. You can use this Dataflow Ops repository as a template, configure your GitHub Actions secrets using settings, and this way you can just start and with one click have your Prefect agent being deployed to AWS. So we select this initial ECS Prefect agent. We can configure CPU, memory, S3 bucket and path, Prefect version, AWS region, and we can just run the workflow. And then you can see here all the steps of the workflow, including building ECR repository. Everything gets deployed as a CloudFormation stacks. So we have one stack for ECR repository, and there will be another CloudFormation stack for the agent. We see that our Prefect Cloud has no deployments yet, but we'll create some here as part of this demo too. Right now we are building ECR repository and building image and pushing it to ECR. This image is tagged with the GitHub commit SHA, so that everything is versionable. And here we create blocks. So we create S3 and ECS block, and this CloudFormation stack deploys a Prefect agent as ECS service. So right now we see the blocks are created, the flows are being deployed as Prefect deployments. They get pushed to S3, and then we'll soon be able to see them in Prefect Cloud. So we see here our deployments. The first deployment has this infrastructure block ECS task and S3 block as storage block. We see that the version is GitHub commit SHA, so that everything is versionable and easy to troubleshoot. And now we can see, okay, the agent is still in progress. Okay, now it's complete. And once the CloudFormation stack is complete, we can see that Prefect cluster got created, and there's Dataflow Ops service running our agent with queue name Dataflow Ops. So now we can inspect logs of our agent on ECS, and we can see that it's polling for the work queue Dataflow Ops. We started a run, and we can see agent picked up this run, gifted toucan. It's running on Amazon instance on this container. Now we started a different run from this deployment that deploys ECS task. So we see here that this flow run gets deployed as a separate ECS task. We can see that this task is pending, now running. And soon we see that the serverless container with our flow run got deployed. And we can see that it got deployed to a different container instance, which we can confirm by a different network name than the previous run. Both are running on EC2, but in different containers. Finally, we can compare our block settings. So let's see how our block is configured in Prefect Cloud. We see that the image that we built, CPU and memory values that we set, task and execution role, and we can see that auto deregistered is set to true, so that all task definitions are deregistered after completion. And now we can start a final run, which will be parameterized. So we can say hello from ECS, and this will complete the demo. Okay, this run finished, and that's all. Thank you.